What we think of as protein is actually a large category of molecules. They give structure and support to your cells and are necessary for immune function, movement, chemical reactions, hormone synthesis, and more. They're all made up of tiny building blocks called amino acids. 9 of these are considered essential, meaning your body needs them but can't make them on its own, so you need to get them in your diet. How much protein you need to consume per day depends on factors like your body size, activity levels, age, pregnancy status. Some people need more protein than others. However, it's important that everyone get optimal amounts of protein for them by eating protein-rich foods regularly. Not only is protein essential for your health, but it's also the most filling macronutrient. Consuming it can keep you feeling full and satisfied, which supports a healthy body weight. The current recommended dietary allowance, RDA, for protein is set at 0.36 grams of protein per pound of your body weight, 0.8 grams per kilogram. Keep in mind that this reflects the minimum amount of protein required to meet your body's needs. However, most active people, older adults, and people who are pregnant or breastfeeding require much more than that. For example, experts suggest that physically active people need 0.54 to 0.9 grams of protein per pound of body weight, 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram, per day. Fortunately, hitting your protein requirements can be easy if you include plenty of protein-rich foods in your diet. 1. Eggs. Whole eggs are among the most nutritious foods available. They're a good source of protein that's easy to absorb, and they're also an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and antioxidants. For example, whole eggs are packed with selenium and vitamins B12 and A. They're also rich in choline, a nutrient that's especially important during pregnancy and breastfeeding because it plays critical roles in growth and development. Keep in mind that egg whites are almost pure protein, but whole eggs that include the yolk provide many more nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and healthy fats. If you're concerned about the cholesterol in egg yolks, it's important to note that lots of research has debunked the idea that they're bad for you. On the contrary, many studies have shown that whole eggs are incredibly healthy for most people and may actually help prevent chronic diseases. Protein content. 1 large egg, 50 grams, provides 6.3 grams of protein. 2. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious tree nut rich in essential nutrients like fiber, vitamin E, manganese, and magnesium. They're also high in plant-based protein. Eating almonds may benefit your health in several ways, including by lowering heart disease risk factors like high LDL, bad cholesterol, and high blood pressure. Try adding some almonds to plant-based meals, like grain bowls and salads, for a boost of filling protein and fiber. If you're looking to add more nuts to your diet, also consider pistachios and cashews. Both of these healthy nuts are also packed with protein. Protein content. 1 ounce, 28.35 grams, of almonds provide 6 grams of protein. Other high-protein nuts include pistachios, which deliver 5.73 grams per 1 ounce, 28.35 gram, serving, and cashews, which contain 4.34 grams of protein per 1 ounce, 28.35 gram, serving. 3. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is an excellent choice if you're trying to bump up your protein intake. In addition to protein, chicken provides a variety of B vitamins, plus minerals like zinc and selenium. Chicken breast is also very versatile and easy to cook. It can taste delicious in a wide range of dishes. Try adding sliced chicken breast to salads, stir-fries, and soups to make these dishes more filling. Protein content. 1/2 of a chicken breast, 86 grams, provides 26.7 grams of protein. 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a type of cheese that is low in fat and calories, yet high in protein. It's rich in calcium, phosphorus, selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2, and various other nutrients. Plus, research suggests that cottage cheese is just as filling as eggs, making it an excellent choice for a satisfying meal or snack. For example, you can pair it with cut-up fruit for a high-protein breakfast on the go. Protein content. 1 cup, 226 grams, of cottage cheese provides 28 grams of protein. Other high-protein cheeses include cheddar cheese, which provides 3.96 grams of protein per 17-gram slice, and mozzarella, which provides 6.29 grams of protein per 1 ounce. 5. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt, also called strained yogurt, is a very thick type of yogurt that's high in protein. It has a creamy texture and is a good source of many nutrients like calcium, vitamin B12, vitamin A, selenium, and zinc. Its slightly tart flavor pairs well with both sweet and savory dishes, making it a versatile kitchen ingredient. Try adding Greek yogurt to smoothies, soups, salad dressings, and baked goods, or just enjoy it with a bit of fruit and a sprinkle of crushed nuts for crunch. When you're buying Greek yogurt, opt for products that have no sugar added. Protein content. 1 7-ounce, 200-gram container provides 19.9 grams. Other yogurt products that are high in protein include unsweetened low-fat yogurt, which provides 11.9 grams of protein per 8-ounce, 227-gram container, and kefir, which provides 9.21 grams of protein per 1 cup, 243 milliliters. 6. Milk. Dairy milk contains a little of nearly every nutrient that your body needs. It's a good source of high-quality protein, and it's high in vitamins and minerals, like calcium, phosphorus, and riboflavin, vitamin B2. Many people with lactose intolerance can't tolerate milk and other dairy products, and they avoid many dairy-containing foods. Fortunately, there's a variety of lactose-free products now on the market, including lactose-free milk, cheeses, and yogurts. Non-dairy milk alternatives, like cashew milk and coconut milk, can be a good substitute for milk in many cases, but they're usually much lower in protein and don't contain the same nutrients. If you drink dairy milk, including lactose-free milk, it can be a good choice to increase your protein intake. Protein content. 1 cup, 246 milliliters, of dairy milk provides 8.32 grams of protein. 7. Lentils. Lentils are among the richest sources of plant-based protein you can eat, making them an excellent choice if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet. Plus, they're loaded with other nutrients too, including fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, iron, copper, and manganese. Studies show that people who regularly consume lentils and other legumes have a lower risk of developing health conditions like heart disease and fatty liver disease. Protein content. 100 grams, about 1/2 cup, of cooked lentils provides 9.02 grams of protein. Other high-protein legumes include chickpeas, which provide 7.05 grams of protein per 100 grams cooked, and black beans, which provide 8.86 grams of protein 100 grams cooked. 8. Lean beef. Lean beef is a rich source of protein. It's also high in bioavailable iron, zinc, selenium, and vitamins B12 and B6. Red meat can be a part of a healthy diet, but it's best to moderate your intake. Consuming high amounts of red meat has been linked to a higher risk of developing certain health conditions, including colorectal cancer. Try cutting back on red meat and eating plant-based protein, fish, and poultry more frequently. Protein content. A 3-ounce, 85-gram, serving of lean beef provides 24.6 grams of protein. 9. Fish. Fish is an excellent source of protein and provides a number of important vitamins and minerals, like iodine, selenium, and vitamin B12. People who include a lot of fish in their diet tend to have a lower risk of health conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Plus, fatty fish like salmon and herring are high in omega-3 fats, which have powerful benefits for your overall health, including supporting heart health. Protein content. All types of fish are high in protein. For example, half a salmon fillet, 124 grams, provides 30.5 grams of protein, while a cod fillet, 180 grams, provides 41 grams of protein. 10. Quinoa. We think of quinoa as a grain, but it's actually a seed, which is why it's categorized as a pseudo-cereal. Quinoa is very popular in the wellness world. It's rich in fiber, folate, copper, iron, and zinc, and it's higher in protein than many grains. Quinoa is often referred to as a complete protein because it contains all 9 of the essential amino acids that your body can't make on its own. However, it actually contains insufficient amounts of certain amino acids, like lysine. For this reason, experts argue that quinoa should be considered a nearly complete protein. This may be of interest to you if you're following a vegetarian or vegan diet and looking to make sure you're getting all 9 essential amino acids. Regardless, quinoa is a good source of protein and is delicious in dishes like grain bowls, soups, and porridges. Protein content: 1 cup, 185 grams, of cooked quinoa provides 8 grams of protein. 11. Protein powders. When you're pressed for time and unable to prepare a meal, protein powder can come in handy. You can easily add protein powders like whey and pea protein to shakes, smoothies, energy balls, yogurt, and more to increase the protein and fullness factor. There's a protein powder for nearly every taste preference and dietary restriction. Pea protein and whey protein are both excellent choices for those looking for a convenient way to increase their protein intake. Protein content: whey protein powder provides about 16.6 grams of protein per scoop, 28.6 grams, while pea protein provides 15 grams of protein per scoop, 20 grams. Note that the protein content per scoop differs between products, even when the scoop size is the same. Check the label of the products you're interested in for their specific protein content. 12. Ezekiel bread. Ezekiel bread is different from most other breads. It's made of organic and sprouted whole grains and legumes, including millet, barley, spelt, wheat, soybeans, and lentils. Compared with other breads, like white bread, Ezekiel bread is high in protein, fiber, and various important nutrients. Try making a protein-rich sandwich by topping Ezekiel bread with turkey, lettuce, tomato, and a bit of hummus. Protein content: 1 slice, 60 grams, of Ezekiel bread provides 6 grams of protein. 13. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly delicious and highly nutritious. For example, they're a great source of minerals like iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and zinc. Plus, they're loaded with plant-based protein and fiber. Try adding pumpkin seeds to salads, baked goods, oatmeal, or yogurt, or mix them with unsweetened dried fruit and almonds for a convenient snack. Protein content: a 1/4 cup, 29.5 grams, of pumpkin seeds provides 8.8 grams of protein. Other high-protein seeds include sunflower seeds, which provide 7.25 grams per 1/4 cup, 35 gram, serving, and flax seeds, which provide 7.5 grams of protein per 1/4 cup, 42 gram, serving. 14. Turkey breast. Turkey breast is similar to chicken breast in many ways. It consists mostly of protein, with very little fat and a low number of calories. It's also high in a number of vitamins and minerals, including selenium, zinc, and vitamins B12 and B6. Turkey breast is delicious on salads and sandwiches, and you can also add it to soups and grain dishes to increase the protein content of your meals. Protein content: a 3-ounce, 85 gram, serving of turkey provides 25.6 grams of protein. 15. Shellfish. Shellfish, including shrimp, oysters, clams, and scallops, are excellent sources of protein. Plus, shellfish contain healthy fats and a number of vitamins and minerals, including selenium, zinc, vitamin B12, and iron. All types of shellfish are high in protein. You can enjoy them in recipes like salads, pastas, and stir-fries. Protein content: a 3-ounce, 85 gram, serving of cooked clams provides 21.8 grams of protein, while the same serving of shrimp provides 20.4 grams of protein. 16. Peanuts and peanut butter. Although people commonly think of peanuts as nuts, they're actually legumes. Peanuts and peanut butter are packed with nutrients, like protein, folate, magnesium, and vitamin E. Eating peanuts and peanut butter may help make you feel full due to their high protein content. In fact, studies show that adding peanut butter to a high-carb meal may help reduce blood sugar spikes after the meal. For example, putting peanut butter on a slice of bread can help you feel more satisfied and may help keep your blood sugar more stable after you eat. Protein content. A 1 ounce, 28.35 gram, serving of peanuts provides 7.31 grams of protein, while a 2 tablespoon, 32 gram, serving of smooth peanut butter provides 7.2 grams of protein. The bottom line: getting enough protein on a daily basis is essential for health. People's protein needs vary. However, experts recommend most active people consume 0.54 to 0.9 grams of protein per pound of their body weight, 1.2 to 2 grams per kilogram, per day. Fortunately, there are many high-protein foods to choose from, including animal and plant-based sources. Try adding a few of the high-protein foods on this list into your diet to help meet your daily needs.